Mm, mm. I didn't do nothing.
Fall, the whole thing fell. That ain't it though.
I have no idea.
You the one fell, you need to be paying attention to.
I'm paying attention to where they are so I don't get stung. Because I don't know if I'm allergic to this. Because you don't tell me anything.
Alright, gotta wash these on.
Now you can lift the tree still.
Okay, hello YouTube friends and families. We had a little bit of a cleanup today. I have cleaned this whole bed. I did find the spinach collard and leave it. I still had some peppers mixed in all those weeds. And that is a tomato plant. That is a kale. And that is a jalapeno with a big fat pepper on it. See if I can get it in the shot. Big fat pepper on it. And these are the asparagus. So I pulled everything up. I have my racks back there getting ready. I didn't get to this yet, but I'm thinking I'm gonna get a big old garbage bag and just dump the whole trays eventually. We know these are still carrots from February. These are the onions from Walmart that were $1.50. And I put them down out of season, but they're still growing. I don't do nothing but use the tops. I cleaned this bed out, and it has that big old comfrey. Oh my gosh, this comfrey is huge. But I pulled all the weeds. We have like 3 or 4 bags on the curb. I pulled all the weeds out my buckets, except for these. And these are tomato plants. They are this tall. Hopefully you can see. And they still have life on the tips, so I'm gonna wait till I got time to actually cut those off and maybe put them in some soil and overwinter them, because those were the yellow tomatoes. I got 2 of them and they were delicious, shaped like mangoes. I pulled all the corn. Look at here, I still have peppers. I pulled out the squash. They were ate up by vine borers. It was 2 buckets in here with the Zappa squash and some other squash, white Palermo, and they didn't make it. I never got any. But that's what happens when you're lazy. And I got something coming up to help you with that. My nectarine tree that dropped all its nectarines this year. The bacon avocado's doing just fine. I did not get the mulch because digging is wearing me out. I have celery. That's a good vegetable to grow. And look at these. This is the Ponderosa lemon. It's been here like about 4 or 5 years. It's got a little leaf curling at the top. And I don't know what that little bug is up there. But look how big those lemons are. Don't they look freakishly big? They are huge and bumpy. And, oh Lord, they look freakishly weird. That's why I have trouble with them. And then we have, get you at the right angle, the pear tree. It's doing fine. May not give me fruit for a few years. Looks like I need to go at that palm tree again and trim it again with the Sawzall one day soon. So, I have this vine. I'm going to ask you all if you know what it is. I've been handling it with gloves, so hopefully it's not poison ivy. But this is the vine that was wrapped around all the trees. It's wrapped around my calamondin, but it didn't kill it. So I still have to pull all that. No mulching got done. But what I did when I planted the lime tree, if you watched the video before this one, I did tear up some comfrey, put it over the top, And then I put some of this mulch, this pine bark mulch. Here's that big old peach tree that is not peaching. And I don't know if it's worth it, but I want to prune it this year. And in the pruning, I want to try to air layer it. Maybe if I give like that side tree away, it's like 3 or 4 extra trees on there that can be given away. These are almost ready to pick in the next week or so. I would think they are almost ripe. Here is the orange tree that was already here, doing well, and the Meyer lemon tree that I planted about 2 weeks ago. So we are good to go. That's our mini garden tour. I may be giving away, I've let these Motherland okra go to seed, so I may be giving some of those away in future videos. So please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and ring that bell so you'll know when I'm having my seed giveaway, since I let that go to seed. Now, I told you this Sweet 100 still has tomatoes. There's some more new green ones. So I don't know if I should piece that up and overwinter it, because it's amazing. Okay, and I'll give you one more update. Whew, I'm out of breath. We worked today. Here's the sod update. That sod did the thing. It has rained every single day just about since I put it down. I do see it's a nuts edge problem. So I'm gonna call some pro pest control people and get my whole yard treated. But it took. So yes, she can lay sod too. I'll never do that junk again though. But I hope you like this little mini garden update. Get out there and do a little bit of work. Get ready for fall. And I do hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. And plant a seed today. Plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. And prep and pray. Bye-bye.